Open Snap on laptop. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can open a Snap on laptop. In order to open Snap on laptop, first of all, you need to log in. For that, you need to open up a web browser. On the web address bar, type in web.snapchat.com. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. If not, click on the login button. Enter in or select the method of login in. Just like here, you can see that I'm not logged in. So click on login into chats, which is right at the bottom. After that, you'll be taken to the field where you need to provide in either your username or an email address. Now quickly enter in the information. As soon as you're done entering your information, click on the next button. On the other page, you'll be asked to provide in the password associated with your Snapchat account. You can see that I'm logged in. Now you can enable all of these notification and all that, but if you don't want to do it so, then click on the cross icon. As you can see that I'm logged in into my Snapchat account through a Snapchat web, so unfortunately you'll not be able to open a snap on laptop. So if you open up a chat page of the particular contact, if you want to view the snap, you can see underneath the snap or this particular icon there is open the mobile app to view. So basically you'll not be able to view the snap on laptop, but you'll be able to send a snap, or you'll be able to make a call, or you can text them, you can share photos and all that, but you'll not be able to open the snap. So in this way you can open a snap on laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.